Welcome to the first episode of our Intro to Editing series. This series is meant to be a very basic introduction to video editing within Adobe Premiere Pro. We know that the average attention span is only so long, so we're going to try to keep these videos short and sweet. With that being said, let's begin. So, the first step to starting a new project is selecting where you want the computer to save your project file. If you don't make sure this is done correctly every single time, you'll soon discover how easy it is to lose track of your files. Organization is key. Now that you're in, you just need to select a piece of footage that you want to edit. For today's needs, I'm just going to choose this piece of footage I have of my cat Jack playing in the backyard. Great. Now we can see the file at the top of the project bin over on the left side, and if we double click on it, we can see the video footage in our source window. So we'll just press play to preview it and watch that chunky cat go. And that's actually where we're going to end episode 1. Told you guys we're going to keep these short and sweet. Stay tuned for episode 2, where we'll talk about the different types of sequences you need to set up based on YouTube or Instagram. Thanks for watching, guys.